Today we're going to remove the rear wheel of the scooter. It's fairly straightforward, it's mainly just undoing bolts. So the first things you need to do is undo the brake unit from the scooter. Keeping a note of what bolts go where. Then remove the reflective strip. And then remove the cover plate. And then you've got 4 bolts here that will need removing, and then the one that goes to the axle, and it's exactly the same on the other side. Then once all the bolts are out of place, undo the brake cable, remove the brake unit, which is a bit of a fiddle, and then the rear wheel will just slide out.